Most people know that the four states of matter are solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. But do you know about the fifth state of matter, called Bose Einstein Condensate? BECs are a state of matter in which quantum mechanics takes such precedence that all particles agree to do one thing: sit near absolute zero and chill. Bose and Einstein collectively predicted this wonder state of matter back in 1924, but it took over 7 years in 1995 before it was finally created. To make a BEC, in a magneto-optical trap, lasers are focused. The atoms in the gas get cooled close to absolute zero and occupy the lowest energy state, starting to behave as one wave entity. Eureka! We've generated Bose Einstein Condensate. BEC's correlation to absolute zero is one of demonstration. The coldness of the particles makes them move as one slow entity, like absolute zero stillness, which makes it realize the microscopic quantum mechanics of the particles in one large observable pattern.
There's a catch though. Absolute zero is absolutely impossible to reach. The reason has to do with the amount of energy necessary to remove heat from a substance, which increases exponentially the colder you try to go. To get to absolute zero, you would require an infinite amount of energy. BECs allow us to observe quantum mechanics in an efficient manner. This is because as the particles cool down and become indistinguishable from one another, they are more and more defined by their quantum properties. This led to a revolution in technology, enabling us to create specialized equipment such as
quantum computers, which are the future of physics simulations, supermagnets, which help keep computers stable, and superconductors, which have been pushing the boundaries on the efficiency of our batteries and cables. To understand BECs, we must understand what allows them to exist: absolute zero. Absolute zero is, much like the speed of light, an unachievable boundary that defines all temperature we can measure. In thermodynamics, it is defined as the temperature at which all atomic motion is halted. Near this amazing moment of stillness, we can finally create BECs, allowing us to develop the technology of the future, like quantum computers and superconductors.